guys, want to let potential clients book a consultation with you online? In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional consultation booking page in Systeme.io that helps you generate more leads and schedule appointments. Step 1. Log into your Systeme.io account and click Funnels. Click Create, name your funnel Consultation Booking Funnel. Choose Build an Audience and click Create. Open the first funnel step and click Edit Page. Step 2. Choose a clean landing page template. Replace the default headline with a clear benefit, such as Book your free 30-minute consultation or Schedule your strategy session today. Add a short description explaining who the consultation is for and the value visitors will receive. Step 3. Customize the page by adding your professional photo, a short introduction about your experience, 3 to 5 benefits of the consultation, client testimonials or reviews, a call to action button labeled Book My Consultation or Schedule Now. This helps build trust before someone books a meeting with someone. Step 4. If you use a scheduling tool such as Calendly or another booking platform, add your booking link or embed the booking widget into the page. If you don't use a scheduling tool, you can add a contact form to collect the visitor's name, email address, and preferred meeting time. Step 5. Click Save Changes and preview your booking page on both desktop and mobile devices. Test the booking button or form to make sure everything works correctly before sharing the page. And that's it. You've created a professional consultation booking page in Systeme.io.